Before we get into one of the most jaw-dropping hypercars of the decade, don't forget to subscribe to V8 Vibes, your ultimate source for the most exotic, outrageous, and thrilling machines on the planet. Now buckle up, because today we're diving into the Bugatti Tourbillon, a car that doesn't just break the rules of automotive engineering, it rewrites the entire book. The name Tourbillon, borrowed from fine watchmaking, signals a new era of timeless precision and artistry, and this car lives up to every ounce of that ambition. From the moment you lay eyes on the Bugatti Tourbillon, it's clear that this isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. While keeping some DNA of the Chiron, the Tourbillon introduces a bold, more futuristic design language. The iconic horseshoe wheel remains, but everything around it is sharper, leaner, and more aggressive. The LED headlights are ultra-slim and almost blade-like, integrated perfectly into the aerodynamically sculpted front. Massive intakes and advanced air channels hint at its performance potential, while the flowing body lines create a perfect balance of form and function. Around the rear, a full-width LED light bar sits atop a colossal diffuser, and of course, an active rear wheel adjusts itself at speed to provide optimal downforce. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece of kinetic sculpture. Step inside, and the magic continues. Bugatti has gone with a minimalist yet ultra-luxurious approach in the cabin of the Tourbillon. The interior isn't dominated by screens. Instead, it draws inspiration from premium timepieces, with analog dials crafted from titanium and sapphire. Every control feels mechanical and deliberate, from the intricately machined switches to the beautiful center-mounted speedometer. The seats are hand-stitched with premium leather, hugging your body perfectly while offering top-tier comfort for both road and track. The exposed aluminum elements and carbon fiber accents remind you that this is a machine engineered for speed, but without compromising an ounce of style. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where things get truly wow. The Bugatti Tourbillon features a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, a staggering power plant built in collaboration with Cosworth. But that's not all. This hypercar also incorporates 3 electric motors, giving it a hybrid setup with a combined output of approximately 1,800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,800. It's designed to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, with a top speed expected to exceed 175 miles per hour. This hybrid setup not only delivers mind-bending speed, but also allows for limited all-electric driving when cruising through cities or showrooms. It's the best of both worlds, brute power and futuristic tech. The chassis and suspension are just as cutting edge, featuring a full carbon fiber monocoque, adaptive dampers, and a torque vectoring all-wheel drive system. Handling is razor sharp, yet refined, designed to keep you glued to the tarmac at insane speeds. Whether you're blasting through straightaways or carving up a mountain pass, the Tourbillon delivers precision, control, and confidence. It's not just fast, it's intelligent. Of course, a machine like this comes with a price tag to match. Exclusivity. The Bugatti Tourbillon starts at an estimated $4.6 million, and production will be extremely limited. This isn't just a car you buy, it's a legacy you own. A rolling piece of engineering art designed to stand the test of time. So, what do you think? Has Bugatti just created the greatest hypercar of the modern era? Let me know in the comments. And if you're obsessed with the world's rarest and most insane rides, hit that subscribe button now and stay locked into V8 Vibes.